Hi guys, so we've got a Fiat 500 Abarth here that we've done a reverse camera and a doubled-in screen upgrade on this vehicle. So I'll show you at the back of the vehicle the camera and show you the system inside. Fits really nice, updates the dashboard, so I'll show you now. Okay, so at the back of the vehicle, this is the reverse camera, and as you can see there, that fits really nice up underneath the reg plate, and from the back of the vehicle you can hardly tell. I'll show you inside the vehicle now. Right guys, so we're now inside the vehicle's operating, the vehicle's running should I say, and these steering wheel controls do still work with this stereo, so obviously we can increase and decrease the volume of the stereo and change tracks and mute it and change the source. Now on this system here, on this KENWOOD system, this has got DAB digital radio, it's got AM FM radio, it's also got Bluetooth calls, Bluetooth streaming, but more importantly, to be fair, it has a Android Auto Apple CarPlay function and feature. Now inside the vehicle we fitted a additional microphone which is there, and we've also fitted a DAB aerial on the windscreen there, which again is really discreet and out of the way. And on this system, like I said when I started the video, that we've actually also fitted a reverse camera. So that's the reverse camera on the screen there, and you can see how well that views behind you, and it really operates fantastic, to be totally honest. So for further information on upgrading your vehicle to add Apple CarPlay or Android Auto or reverse camera, give the specialists at Source a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching.